Alexa, pause. Hold on. Y'all see how fast I put it on there? Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. And as by the title, you already see what it is. Like, this is part 2, baby, of Young Beauty hair. Like, I'm definitely about to install it, show y'all styling, show y'all all that. So y'all just stay tuned and watch this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, period. So, like I say, y'all, I'm speeding this up. Everything is just going how it's going. It's just going, zooming through. And y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Alexa, pause. See what I'm saying? Wait. Girl, wait. Girl, wait. No. Yo, I was just shocked. Like, I was just so shocked that it actually looked like Megan Thee Stallion hair. Like, oh my God. Girl, I'm just feeling myself. Megan, wait. Girl, where's my girl? Can't see. Hold on. I know they don't make wigs like this just to pop on and pop off. Girl, wait. And I definitely advise framing your face, y'all. Just, to get that down. Just to get that looking good, Everybody got to frame your face. Y'all know y'all got to frame your face, to make it look good, Wait. Still gotta cut some. Oh, y'all see me? Girl. Oh. Girl, wait. I ain't even put no mousse in it. And y'all, this is 18 inches. Hold on. Because y'all know the description. All that is going to be in that description box. 18 inches right here. So let's do the measurements right now. Let's do it. I'm definitely going to measure this. So I'm definitely about to measure this. So y'all don't say I'm lying, I don't got time for that. So starting right here. 18 inches is right here. Right here. Let's go right here. 18 inches. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Hold on. So y'all be saying I'm lying. Like I said. Y'all see that? Let me zoom in for the people that ain't seeing the background. Y'all see this? 18 is right here. This is 18 right here. Because like I said, I don't need nobody saying I'm lying. Y'all see that? Hold on. Girl, y'all can't even see. Y'all see it? This is 18 right here. It's honestly passing that, if I'm being honest. It's passing that. But this 18. So it go a little inch over. That's what it felt like. So let me zoom back out. But you gotta really do look good though. And do. So I definitely frame my face. So now, we get into styling. Cause look at this. Like, how couldn't you tell me you don't like this wig? Like, I just really need to know. Like, it's really giving Megan. Like, I wish my hair could be like that. I am not lying. I wish my hair was this curly. Like, my hair curly, but it ain't like this. Like this, This is cute. Oh, yes. Young Beauty. Yeah. You did your stuff with this one. I ain't gonna lie. If they don't come to you, I don't know. I don't know. Cause they out their mind. You literally could throw this wig on. Like, and I love that. This is super cute. And see how easy that is? Girl, if you going on vacation, baby. If you going anywhere, that's it. That's it. So wait, girl. The mousse make it 10 times better. Hold on. Y'all, this hair's so soft. This is really Megan hair. I definitely love this wig. This is so pretty. A natural wig. A natural wig. These are the little snips I done cut. I ain't even cut that much. Look, this all I cut in the front. That's all. Now, peep this. Watch. Watch. Let's see how many seconds it take me to put this wig on and take it off. All right, girl. All right, now give it back. Boom. Period. This is so cute, y'all. I love this wig. I love it. Girl, like I just can't stop saying it. And I am in love. But I want to say thank you so much to Young Beauty Hair for letting me sponsor y'all. Like, let me do this collab. Like, letting me do the honors. Me do the honors to tell y'all about this wig. Because, baby, only me could do it best. So I do want to say thank you so much to Young Beauty Hair for letting me do this wig review, and I appreciate it so much because once again, like I said, this is my first sponsor. Wait, this is my first collab, and I'm excited because this is the best. Like, all hands down, best. I love the quality. I love everything about it. It definitely gives Megan a stallion, and I need something to make my hair feel like the same. So anyways, like I said, thank y'all for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next period because it only gets better from here.